Hello Ahmed. In this video testing, I will test the SD card module, which will be used to save data on Excel file. Okay. This is a movable disk, which is this. This is the file available now on it. No any Excel files here. Okay, now I will remove it. Insert the file. Okay. This is the Arduino code, which will bend data to Excel sheet. Arduino start working. This is the code. Called initialize it. I'm bending S to set data on it. Bented A, B, C, D, E. We'll do it again. Okay, now we bented 3 lines, and this is the card. Yet we see what we'll find in the SD card. It's example dot CSV, which is like Excel extension. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is the bented data. A, B, C, D, E, 3 times, like what we did. Okay, I will exit now and insert it again. Yes, 4 times, then that again 4 times. A, B, C, D, E, it is a preset data, which I set it here. Okay, replace it with the data of remotes will be easy. This is not the hard point. The main point is typing the data inside the Excel sheet. Okay, we finish it. We will remove cable. Move it again. this example again. As you see, it adds the last 4 times which we add in the second time. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you find it fine. Goodbye.